Hi guys, it's Justin here. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to lubricate the Z-axis bearings. So go ahead and loosen this rod and pull it out so you can get into the bearing. Take some lithium grease and then just squeeze it down in here. And then take the rod, push it through, and then just repeat this a few times until it gets full of grease inside. And then go ahead and take some grease and put it on this shaft too. And then rub it in. That'll just help the Z-axis move smoothly and it won't bind. So this is good preventative maintenance and make sure the machine's working good. Alright guys, hope this helped.